It's all. I can also read them.
On the docks, rats scurry about their grim business. Tip from Felicia.
Felicia
brought me here. Looks like she was onto something.
Whoa, it's slipping!
Hey, look at this.
It's just a hunk of rock. What's all the extra protection for?
The goblin paying you to ask questions now.
Miles is
No,
here.
Hammerhead.
Then shut up. Goblin says the spider's coming after the tablet, and he wants all measures taken to stop him getting it.
I'm flattered.
Now load it in before I lose my cool.
Oh, you're gonna lose your cool, all right.
It's him! The Spider-Man!
Then stop gawking and start throwing lead.
I love the war. So good.
I think we lost her.
Keep your eyes peeled. You see something true
Cowboy
versus
looks
his
like.
questions. Never. We're not taking any chances. Read me?
Loud and clear, boss.
Welcome, boss. We got everything set up for you.
Save it. No time for gab. I got a real important delivery for Mr. Osborn.
That's right, Hammerhead. And I'm gonna find too many Tommy guns for my taste. Better hug the shadows for now. Unless I want to get filled full of holes.
Montana, you're with me. You got
Yeah,
business
walk
to
into the
discuss.
dark, bro.
Right, boss.
You
He's
and
like
you
borderlining.
watch my back while we're on the move. Savvy?
Right, boss.
Right, boss.
Ox.
Yeah, boss?
Stand there and look stupid. From what I can see, you've had a lot of practice. All right, you mutts, listen up. Osborn wants us to be ready for anything. And Mr. Osborn always knows what's best, doesn't he?
The camera angle's a real problem in this sort of camera control. Like,
Yeah, but, you know. It's
just punch him in the head a couple dozen times. It's all good. I love the Splinter Cell aspect of it. It's so freaking cool. Like, this is how I like to play most of my games. If I'm given the option to never be seen once, that's the best way to do it. Like, you just feel like a complete badass. Like, you know, the way they want you to play stealth. You get in and out, and no one sees you.
Let's go. Get this open.
That's one of the train yard workers.
I actually really love the noir costume. It fits the aesthetic of the setting, you know?
doing this?
Let's just
hell is
say I
that
don't
cat
want
doing?
anyone sticking their web nose.
If I get up at one point, it's to go yell at my cat,
Spider-Man
because I
tries
think he's
to
trying to jump in the
rescue.
sink.
Grease the stooge. Savvy?
Yeah, boss.
Good. Let's go.
You shouldn't have brought innocent people into this. That just makes me mad.
So what is this thing Osborn's having to deliver?
I'll tell you what it ain't. Just a rock. It's got some kind of powers.
How do you know?
Give me a second. Cat.
It's like it almost talks, you know? If you listen to it real close, it speaks to you. Like a dame. No dame I ever know. Cooing. Or I don't know. Whispering.
Whispering?
Yeah. So. What are you looking at?
Goddamn cat.
Nice looking at me like I'm nuts.
He's not the only one.
So wait for this dude to turn around. I'll get this guy.
Honest, I won't. Hey, how about some food here?
Come on. Keep going, bro.
Let me go. I won't tell anyone. Honest, I won't.
Yeah. What aspect of Aquaman do I like the most? You know, the whole outcast, like, because he's blonde and, you know, they don't approve of him, but he takes on the mantle because, well, he has to for his people. Like, that's a really powerful type of thing, even though he's hated and, you know, people don't really necessarily like him. He has to do what he has to, so.
I'm tracking Hammerhead.
Oh shit! Oh, dude, his face. Oh god!
I knew you were around here somewhere.
Son of a...
Ugh. Okay, I think I escaped enemy sight. Oh, thanks a lot, man. I'm glad you're a fan. It means a ton. I hope if some of you guys are watching this and you're not listening to the podcast, you need to. You guys need to. That is our bread and butter. That's why, you know, we try to be like the most at-home podcast. We're not trying to bullshit. You know, we're just a bunch of friends. Want to hang out with you guys, so hopefully you guys appreciate what we do.
Where'd you get that hunk of rock?
Jersey. Fell out of the sky in an explosion of light.
I wish I owned that Aquaman trident.
You don't sound so happy.
No? Listen to my voice. I'm thrilled. The boss tells me to do something, I do it. I ask him my opinion, he does it. Advice me to do it. And my boy, I'll listen.
He's got Osborn pulling strings. I've got a floating head lady. I'm starting to wonder which one of us is more of a puppet.
I'm glad to hear it, man. I'm glad you're a fan of the podcast. Like I said, if you guys keep checking out the SoundCloud for the podcast, man, we're giving away that Phase 2 box set. Some random guy's gonna win it.
You can't get away with this, you scum! In good shape. Yeah? You want to kill him? The drill. You see the spider you ice that jerk?
Right, boss.
How dare you keep me here?
Okay.
Save me! Someone save me!
Dude, Jessica Jones was freaking amazing.
It's got me, Vulture, all of us.
If people don't like that series, there's something wrong with them. Oh yeah, web them up. Okay, there's a civilian. Just gotta wait for this dude to get under here, and I'm gonna web him up.
I resent that.
Oh yeah, our SoundCloud sound quality way better than YouTube. Like, it sounds like us, you know. Not everybody sounds the same, which can sometimes be a problem. How do I unlock some of these sons of bitches? Yeah, buy more health, man. Okay, so out of the upgrade screen. Yeah. Stealthy mofo. And all you patrons, if you're a patron, thank you so much.
I need help.
You guys are the lifeblood, the reason we can actually, you know, do what we do. So it means a ton. Even if it's $1. $1 goes a long way. So you guys have no idea how fucking grateful I am for that. You know, that's like $12 a year, which ain't a lot, but to somebody it might be, and to us it's plenty. I mean, $12 a year to us buys us like a gig of storage, so that's a lot considering, you know, how many videos we produce for you guys. So don't be seen, bro. Oh yeah. Yeah, I know you on Twitter. I know your guys' names. Trust me, I know like 200 or 300 of the fans by name, like their legit name, not just their web handle, too. I know that too. I take time to know all you guys. Great conversations, even if we don't all agree on stuff. That's what makes it so great. That's why I love you guys. And the best part is, you know, when we can just have a level-headed conversation and talk about all that stuff, you know, it's great. Then trolls get involved and fuck the trolls, but you know, whatever.
He's been tearing the place apart, freeing the hostages, ripping the gates up, knocking out the guys. That's so. Holy. Told him not to tell me. All right now, time to step it up. Spider, you out there? You hear me? Hear this?
Come on, Hammerhead here. Well, that was a terrible 20s voice, or 30s, or 40s, whatever.
And I'll be at your service. You two stay put. They'll be coming through here after me. Your job is to stop them. And if you don't, you'll wind up like that jerk. Believe it.
It's Spider-Man Noir. It's Spider-Man Shattered Dimensions we're playing. It's a really good game.
Not that I don't have total faith in you, but I don't.
Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh.
You make sure no one follows.
Come on, bro. Let me get down there.
Confidence. Yeah, thanks. Go climb up your dump.
Sorry, fellas. I'm about to prove him right.
Oh, okay. Yeah, see, that's the thing. It's like, if someone doesn't agree with me, I fucking love talking to them about it. I'm like, see, alright, tell me where you're coming from. You know, what's your point of view? That's great. I love to know people's stories and, you know, why they like something that I don't, and why I don't like something that they love. Like, that's so cool, you know, that we can discuss it. Then, of course, there's people that take it, you know, too far and they start insulting. And once insults get involved, that's when I'm like, nope, we're not talking about this anymore. Like, you gotta be respectful, right, of other people's decisions and all that, and what they like, so. If you're not respectful, then, you know, you're just an asshole.
You're out of here!
We'll get these spiders. Oh, yeah. You know, I don't know how long I'm going to play this. I mean, it depends. I could play for 2 hours. I could play for 4. I could play for half an hour. I don't know. Currently, I just have no idea. Oh, yeah. I might do 2 chapters, depending on how long they go. Dude, get up on there. No, get up. You fucking control, Spidey. The worst enemy in this fucking game is these controls. Wasn't there one more guy? Oh, thank God he didn't see me. Oh my God, if there was a Flash video game, holy shit. Could you imagine how amazing that would be? Like, all the speed you could involve? Oh. Still, my 2 favorite games of all time are for superheroes. Ultimate Alliance and Arkham Asylum. Those are, like, both 10 out of 10. Like, I don't think it could get better than those. And trust me, I love Arkham City as much as the next guy, but I think Arkham Asylum is so perfect. You know what? One of these days, we're going to start Arkham Asylum in here, and I'm just going to play it through. So, maybe after we're done this one. Let me know if that's what you guys want, or I can run a poll and whatever you guys vote. Oh shit! Oh, I fucked up. Shit.
Come on out and play. He couldn't have gotten away.
Yeah, what
Come
now,
on,
bitch?
What do you got?
I like how I become a fucking COD kid when I'm playing this.
Oh, where'd everybody go? This doesn't look good.
I should go get some of those fucking spiders and things, because I ain't leaving without them. I need these. These help me get gains. Also, let me know if you guys are interested in me adding some other CBC members to the streams, because I can add them through Skype and they'll just, you know, sit here, we can chat about stuff, read the comments. Because I'm looking to do this probably 3 to 5 times a week now, so...
You think you can take me? Come on and have a go if you think you're hard enough. Hey, Spider, wanna go a few rounds?
Trust me, it'll only take one.
Find cover.
Oh, shit. I don't remember how to beat him. Hold up, guys. I just gotta check Twitter for a second. It notified me of something. I don't know.
I'm gonna put you 6 feet under.
I don't know. Fuck it. Oh God!
Avoid
Okay, I
the
figured it out.
spotlight, Spider-Man.
Go,
If
go,
you
go,
hide
go,
in
go.
the shadows, perhaps he cannot track you.
Here comes a little Chicago luck.
Try to sneak up behind him.
Okay, so I gotta sneak up behind him, but
It's
he's looking
cocked
at
for
me
you.
right now, so that's a problem. Oh God damn it, Hammerhead!
To let the daylight in.
Oh, what the fuck? I'm gonna get him. Just take some fucking time.
Try to sneak
Bitch,
up
I was
behind
almost
him.
there until you gave away my position. Aha! There we go.
Son of a...
Huh. Alright, now give me a sec.
I'm gonna carve you up, Spider. Prepare to meet your maker. You can't hide forever. You can't hide forever.
No rush, Spider-Man. There are
Okay,
only
here we go.
multiple dimensions to save.
Ah!
Eat lead, Spider.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna put you in a wooden kimono.
Oh, what the fuck?
Eat,
You guys saw that. That was complete bullshit.
eat
Complete
lead,
bullshit.
Spider.
No problem, man.
I'm gonna put you in a wooden kimono. You can't hide forever.
Ha! Take that, bitch. Got him. Dude, run.
Always got to attack from the
Okay, one more time. We gotta get him one more time.
You're gonna die.
Well, to me, honestly, interacting with the fans is the greatest thing. And, you know, like, it's just so fucking cool that you guys, you know, follow me and just kind of know me, but you don't actually know me. So it's like, you know, but you guys know what I'm thinking and all that. And, like, the people that just listen to the podcast, of course, you know, and write in and all that, it just means a ton. It's great.
It's good for you.
Dude, I would love to see Hammerhead in the MCU. I think that could be one of the characters that they bring into the Netflix shows. I mean, it would make sense. Hammerhead's just a street villain, right? So, use that. Ugh.
You're finished, freak.
There we go.
Get up.
Yeah.
No more. Please, please. I give.
Had enough, huh?
Dude, have a good one,
Hand over that
well, Michael. Have a good one, Michael. I know you personally, so have a good one, man.
Oh, cheap shot.
You know, I don't know about Ezra Miller. I've never seen him act, so I can't really say. I'm hoping he's good.
Sourpuss Hammerhead is sporting?
I ain't seen him that bad since he caught Snake Marston pulling his contortionist act. It's impossible.
I'm just gonna level everything, fuck it. I mean, I have enough points, I guess. Got them Hammerhead golds or whatever the hell. Dude, I love Vulture. Adrian Toomes is so cool. That's one villain I want to see in Spider-Man so bad. You guys have no idea. Like, oh, that'd be so amazing. Oh, shit.
Here we go.
Shit.
Where'd he go? You done, Spidey boy?
Well, thank God they're not smart enough.
Look at the scrap.
Oh, they're shooting the shit out of me.
You are on the good road.
Spider-Man's just a joke.
Come on. You can't fall. I lost him in the shadows.
Oh, God damn it.
There he is. What the boss say?
Okay, I'm probably gonna die now. Oh, yeah.
This is not what I foresaw.
Look over there. He couldn't get by.
Well, I've met quite a few celebrities. Jason Momoa, Gwendolyn Christie, who's going to be Captain Phasma, Rhino from WWE. There are tons. I've met so many. Stephen Lang.
It's the Spider guy.
Yo, fuck that shit. I ain't fighting those guys.
Hey, Bughead, come on out and play. I don't see him anywhere.
And getting pwned. Oh, maybe I have to get those guys. Shit. Come on, dude. Oh, good, that idiot didn't see anything. Yeah. Dude, Deadpool trailer. Oh, man. I can't wait. It's gonna be freaking amazing. Owned.
When I'm good, there's no one there.
So after we get these guys, I'll check my upgrades. Hopefully I got something. You know, I am gonna see Heart of the Sea, but not in theaters, because Star Wars and limited money, and instead of going to see that, I wanted to see Creed, because I love Rocky, and Creed was a fucking masterpiece. If you guys haven't seen Creed, you need to. Good, I could probably use this. Well, there goes all my points. Alright, now where the hell am I supposed to go? Probably in here? Probably? Yep.
And along comes the spider. I had a feeling you'd make
Dude,
short
I've
work of
never
those
read
nerds.
Harry Potter. I mean, I read the first 2 books, but I'm not a fan of magic.
5 of my best trickers,
So,
5 hostages. You're such a bleeding hostage.
dude, after this year, there's so many movies coming to theaters. It's gonna be nuts. Like,
My voice spider,
I don't think we're ready, guys. I don't think we're ready.
and you'll wake up in hell.
You're a pit.
And for those wondering, this will be on YouTube after, so, you know.
A floating head lady sure walked me into it this time. Gotta grab the shadows and make my play. Take these palookas down one by one.
What villains am I hoping for?
Normally
Guardians of
this
the
place would
Galaxy
be
2?
alive with souls working and doing honest labor.
You know, I don't know.
Den of
I'm not the
thieves.
biggest Guardians of the Galaxy guy. I'm not gonna pretend here and say I know a lot about them, because I don't, but I would love to see Adam Warlock. Yeah, Constantine and Doctor Strange, that's the type of magic I like and I can understand, but like wizards with sticks, I can't do that, I'm sorry. I understand why people love Harry Potter, and it's, you know, that's totally cool, but to me it's just, there's no appeal.
I heard the spider's really fast.
Not as fast as Swoop, I bet.
Alright, so that guy turns around, I'll jump down, and I'll try to get that dude. Oh yeah.
It's all Jake. I'm coming to get you.
Man, there's so many civilians, holy crap.
Spider-Man will show.
Where's the nearest bad dude? Oh, I think right here I can get one. Hopefully. Oh, feel the power! Fucking love Big E. He's so good. Clap for your 2-time.
I'm here to don't let the bed bugs bite.
Oh yeah. See, man, I'm just stealthing these guys like nothing. Oh yeah.
I'm here to help.
I guess my little game was too hard for you, huh? I'm starting to think you ran away.
Come on. Dude, if you guys keep tuning in for these streams, I will play every single superhero game I have, and I have a ton. I probably have like 30 or 40 superhero games. Like my huge game collection is ridiculous. So I think I own over 2,000 video games.
Let me go.
Like with ease, over 2,000. So.
More people trapped. Sleep it off.
Spider guy, let me loose.
Shredder. Yeah.
Hey pal, unlock the door. I'm not an animal.
More people trapped.
I'm gonna get this damn civilian over here. See, like, I don't understand why people say there's not a lot of good Spider-Man games. Like, this is legitimately a good game. The Amazing Spider-Man 1, a legit good game. Like, they're really solid games. I mean, yeah, they're no Arkham Knight, or, or not Arkham Knight, Arkham Asylum or Arkham City, but, I don't really expect them to be. I mean, they're Activision quick cash grabs, so...
What's the deal with that rock thing? Don't ask me. I don't need any
Can I level anything? Double takedown? That'd be great. No. Sure, I'll get this, whatever it is. Dude, I hope Chipmunks gets chip fucked.
Stone.
Save me, someone!
Turn around, bruh.
I'm here to help.
Somebody get me out of here!
Yeah, there we go. Do it for Flair? Like Ric Flair?
Spider-Man, get me out of this!
Woo!
Spider-Man, let me loose!
Nice, now we gotta get these civilians where they need to go, which is all the way to head over here.
It's all Jake. I'm gonna get you.
I forget Noir can
Thanks for
swing.
getting me, Spider-Man.
I just think of him as such a street level character, you know? Dude, Man Spider, hell yes.
I'm here to help.
You know, that Marvel is doing Spider-Man movies? Anything is possible. Anything. Anything. Because we know they're not afraid to do anything. So it's like, as ridiculous as Man Spider would sound, it's like, no, they'll do it. They'll do it. Because there's no reason not to do it, right? I mean, Marvel specializes in fan service, so... I mean, we're probably going to see freaking Scorpion in it. We're probably going to see Rhino as the freaking Rhino. Like, how insane is that, you know?
Spider-Man, get me out of this!
yeah. Star Wars failing. Oh, that's a good one.
That was amazing. Hey, can I have your office?
Good work.
Dude, when it gets closer to it, would you guys be interested if I played a Deadpool video game? Because I do own that. So... And I own the shitty X-Men game where you get to create your own X-Men character. Oh, man, I triggered this. Damn.
You want this, tough guy? Come and take it. Just you and me. Mano a mano.
Dude, Star Wars is going to be ridiculous.
Finish him, boys!
You miserable lying snake!
Marvel Phase 2.
You're all about to get struck speechless.
Let me see. If they did a Phase 2, Punisher, Moon Knight, Ghost Rider, and Blade, the Midnight Suns. And that's what they would call it the Midnight Suns season. That would be just phenomenal.
Like who else wants some?
because I think it's time for them. Because this Marvel Netflix deal with some freaking, you know, all these superheroes, it's clearly working because, hey, look at the numbers, look at the reviews, right? It's their highest reviewed shows, it's their most viewed shows. So there's no reason not to do it, you know?
Here's something for you.
Come on, bro. Oh, I don't know how to dodge that shit, so. Oh, yeah. Dude, Cloak and Dagger, oh my god.
And you say that was your best guy? What else you got?
Nuts to this. Let's beat it.
Right behind you.
Yeah, run away.
I mean, just think. By spring of next year of 2017, so within a year and 3 months, we're gonna have Iron Fist, Luke Cage, and Defenders out by then. Like, how cool is that, you know?
This show's games. Only one more left to play now. The power of the fragment.
What MCU-based game would I like to see? All of them. I think all of them could lend themselves to great games. But
first, I'll get rid of you. Then, I'll get rid of us.
I would love it if they tied Blade in with Morbius in the way that the 90s Spider-Man cartoon did. That would be amazing.
Mister, I was made for it. Yep, you're a real pip. Go chase yourself around the garden.
I don't remember how to beat him. Oh wait, I think I do.
Anyone ever tell you how clever you are? No? Well, there's a reason.
I'm stuck.
Sick of your baloney.
Oh god.
You're about as fun as a plain donut.
What am I supposed to do? If someone wants to look this up on YouTube, go right ahead and tell me. Oh shit. Hey, thanks for stopping by, man.
And some for you.
Oh, I think I got this. Oh yeah. What now, Hammerhead? Boy, chump head. Oh, God, I'm so sorry.
And me. Quite a combination.
He's so hammer-headed. Oh, never mind. Dude, I hope they make a Kick-Ass 3. I mean, if you're a fan of CBC, you probably know how much I love freaking Matthew Vaughn. One of my... You know, he directed my favorite comic book movie ever. So, like, Matthew Vaughn, bring him back to Kick-Ass 3, please. Let him do whatever he wants, because he's so good at it. I mean, look at Kingsman, right? Kingsman is proof Matthew Vaughn is like a god, so...
Piece of work. The Amazing Spider-Man game, masterpiece. Love that game.
The first one, anyway. I haven't played the second one too much. Oh shit.
Go chase yourself around in the dark.
Alright, give me a second, guys. Where's them subtitles so I can read what the hell the game is saying? What? There's... Okay. Whatever game. Sure. Oh my god.
You slay me.
Oh shit. Oh god damn it. I had a chance and I hit the wrong button.
You're about as fun as a plain donut.
There we go.
Dry up.
Sup, bro? Sup, bro? Sup, bro? Ah, shit. Oh, I can't remember how to... There we go. Yeah, bro. Beat the shit out of him. Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Spider-Man.
I gotta go with Cap 3, man. I mean, Captain America's my favorite freaking superhero, you know, from Marvel anyway. Like,
Sorry about that.
and Captain America, the first Avengers, my #1 movie of my MCU. Winter Soldier's #2. I'm a Captain America fanboy, so, you know. Oh, yeah. Get them money points.